Long time so good, big woman.
Dirty nasty girl.
Alex, what this? You shit in a bucket. You can't chat to me, girl, where your age come off after run. Bitch, you can't stay up on no screen and argue with me.
Right.
Me a girl when now go up on screen. Me not, bro, me even want you enough.
I bust up shatter, I mean I come back for you. So any W they come back with, put your pussy tongue on the platter. Me not argue with me and not go back and forth. Me and not do this. Me and not do this. No dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Valley, no dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Valley, no dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Valley, your fights black like my shoes tongue. Valley, your fights black like my shoes tongue. Me not gonna do this with you. Me not gonna make you pay your rent off for me. Me not do this with you, yeah? Me not gonna do this with you. Cause your fights black like my shoes tongue. You hear Valley, your fights black like my shoes tongue. And my shoes tongue have my name because I'm on the exchange. Me not gonna do this with your black files. Me not gonna do this with your black files. And big up yourself, my general and pine. Valley, me not gonna do this video. Me not gonna do this video because your files dark and black. No writing the day for your files. Me not gonna do this video. Me not gonna come back about you.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, my people, it look like the boiling point for some of these TikTokers has reached the limit. As you can see, Dyema and Rosalie is embroiled in some type of riffraff between Ivany and Donya. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because Dyema is going in and insinuating that this is all stemming from, you know, her dating Figure It Out. As you know, Ivani and him have been dating for several years and things in the past, but I'm not gonna lie to you. Things are going on, you know, my people. So here what we're gonna do, we're gonna hear from Rosalie, then a little bit of Ivani and the situation, and at the end of the video, we're gonna hear what Dyema has to say about this whole ordeal. You see what I said? So just like and share the video from now, and let's hear what go on for now to go on, listen.
You know, a fibble, dibble, nibble, and stibble. Vani, if I were you, they tell you come on TikTok and what like you want to come ride people back. Go down at the church with a buckle of consecrated olive oil. And so they make the pastor preach over it. I pray over it. You throw it down and you drink some. And you want to consecrate it from ear so to down in ear so. You can't add talk to nobody pan blood clot. Yeah. I want to ask Christ that you can't go to nobody pan ya. Your mama hate you, your papa hate you, the whole family hate you. I don't know, well, I don't know. I don't know to blood clot. But my time for rip up this a stinking, fuck out, dirty, nasty piece of shit. My time for repair up, like means blood clot beef. Man, know why you? I know our problem. She lack happiness. You know how long she does sit down and smile? You know how long somebody not hug her up? Because money can't buy happiness, you know. She want happiness. And you can't get it because it can't be bought. You lack happiness, you lack for so long and smile and enjoy yourself. That cannot be buy. Pinking blood clot, girl. Stinky dinky. Thinking girl, rotten hole. Nana belly bottom. Yankee belly. Yankee belly. Yankee throat hole. Man piss and shit pan you. Rubbish sheep. Concubine. All sub. All measle. Step aside. A clean people a take over. Because me never know said one girl can sad so in America. One blood clot girl can sad so in America. You can't come about nobody blood clot, yes so. Nobody can come about blood, yes so. Nobody. After 2-year-old, Thursday, go teach him to talk. That's a need for God do. Ice, the title on TikTok. I want argument with girl. I in a girl business. I want to know who Ice a 2-year-old. Thursday at Tom. I want to hear him say a few words. Because you grow a dummy. I don't think I got blood clot focus span. The dummy where you grow. Call me because I boop and bo. Around put nobody as so. Cause so we got go come for you. Got teach you be able to say A, B, C, D, E, F, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Go ban with him. He ain't everybody busy, you know, go ban with the blood clot picnic. When they overquote us, they say they attack. Why? Why don't never look for yourself? But you're picking a 2 roll and not attack him. Dump arm speech impediment. You come for your man in early, you know. Yeah. Never start me there, we don't know. No worry. No worry.
I wonder what 10,000 people were.
Yeah, me done class already. Anytime she go live, on the type anytime she go live that Dyema
Aye, aye.
Brawl.
What Dyema do now? What Dyema do now?
10:30, may I put on the filter?
Crocus crush up bag
DJ.
face looking girl.
Chat one we are go.
First triple team.
What happened with Dyema?
Do your research on the internet. But no girl can't style me.
I'll stop and
Triple team,
run.
triple. Good.
Let's have enough to follow up then, girl.
The court have a saying, and the person who not talk about have a saying. So I don't think y'all should get in your feelings when they talk back.
No, at
No,
10:30
it's a
before me put
difference.
on the
It's a difference
filter.
when
Shut
it's
up.
a difference when me show a picture. I didn't say anything about the person. All I did was show a picture. And the person said a whole lot of things about me. Of course, me
And
got answer.
stop now. Oh.
Say nothing about you. Me never say nothing about you. Me never discriminate you. Me never disrespect. Me don't even speak for you. I me do a show a picture. I don't even call your name. I don't even utter your name.
Yeah, Diamond up on Peace Street, you know.
But then you want to click your live and yeah, bitch. Please.
But I think Vanessa may I work with still.
Them a say you talk about our eyes and our body.
Dancer, them I wanna know you as a dancer. The only thing we know you for do I do this. The only thing we know you have to do this. And then you do your little sticky wine. That's all you up till now you try dance and can't dance. Up till now you try dance and can't dance. Me don't know what kind of popularity you did that. I must say the goggle bars them in a mobile. Me don't know what kind of me never see a woman afraid of age. You know some people are getting the age of them body, you start see it first. Then my age start showing our face. So when we see you every day, we see the oldness. So we are going to talk about the oldness because the oldness start occurring in your face. I mean, when I look in a tree every day, you see it. So I don't know how you want class people when people are telling you say you're old. Then the little young boy them where you fuck could have be your son. Me never fuck a boy who could have be my son yet. My son are going to be 2 Thursday. Any boy I'm fucking in my age group, bracket, clock it. Me at 28, damn, I just turned 28. The month don't even done. Me just turned 28. Me na date man we are 17. Me na date man we are 18. My man them always 21 and over. Is either them at 21 or is either the man 22, 23, 24. Me na date man we are 17 and 16 and 18 and 19. Go check up King age and look one day when me. Damn, you're almost 40 or you're in your 50. Check that no. No girl can make me feel nothing wrong with that. My son is almost 2. Dog, you could tell me see you rich out already. And for sure you you're so fool. Remember I know when a boy not give me no food or a boy not give me no little dividends, he have to come out of my place and my class and bring them down, you know. Me show no no food. I not keep series and every blood clot series. At the boy them page, the people them have to subscribe. And you know a man mascot. Uno keep series. Notice every time a series I keep and subscription live I go on, it never can go on a phone page. It only happen on phone page when it's either the boy them get restriction or the boy them page get banned. They send the people them over phone. Always the boy them page it depend. I may watch one time where the one of them they get restriction and ban and could go live. I saw come in turn it over upon Rose page. And then when you dig the other one they get banned to them turn it over upon Fear page. You know a man mascot. Man and your man use you know. Man and your man use them could make man make me left out a mobile and my nice comfortable house where me build. Over me is a bill house at Jamaica. You still not have nothing about me because I'm in a my nice, comfortable place where my bed by. I'm your first person sleep on my bed. The amount of man, and best believe it in a Dyema, you, Rosalie, and the other two put together still not bigger than. And this is not even a competition. They can make people them vote. Which part I want bigger than me? Dyema, me young. All of them things that we are going in a me young 20s. I me hear this long time crocus bag crushing face looking girl. I got say. Nobody can walk in a fair shoes. Nobody can walk in a... Alright, hold on. I'm gonna find my receipt then while I talk.
And now this is what Dyema had to say about, you know, all of the stuff that Ivany was just saying. You see me? So let's take a listen now.
Nobody think me can't call her name. For the first blood clot J, DSJ give me the blood clot Rosie Bonio. The first DSJ came out and give me Rosie Bonio. You want to come about me? You want to come about me neatly, don't know if you come about me. J never lay down for me yet. I want to can't hungry girl. Girl, me can't blood clot hungry. Me name Dyema attitude. Vanya have no reputation. Vanya reputation black and dirty. Vanya have no reputation. Vanya have no qualification. You can't class no girl, Vanya. Vanya can't class no girl. But me a show with hey girl, I no want to call her name. And me never want to call her name. Because I know a first month to come. And me want you to pay your rent. And me want you to pay your rent. And me when choose not to call them because you're not important. Me never want to give you no blood clot. Me never want to call her name, girl. And the people that to speak the truth, girl, you go for every life and trouble me, girl. Me never trouble you yet. For the first day blood clot, Jay give me a bucket of flowers, he burn blood clot, you. Imagine that with Jay for blood clot ears. But, oh, and figure it out, never fuck me, no tell life and fuck a blood clot. But everybody refuse all Batman. All Batman refuse blood clot, yo. Imagine your girl and Batman refuse all blood clot, yo. It bad. A blood clot bad. Move your dead in a... Hey, go ahead. Hey, girl, move! Cocky dead in a mouth, blood clot and go. Eh? Move your cocky dead in a mouth, blood clot, but show shit. Girl, me walk afraid of no girl. Me walk afraid of no think old girl boy. Me walk afraid of no think old girl boy. And me choose not to call her name because me avoid you. Because me see say bonnet and Jay give me the first bouquet of flowers. And the little piece of chain for my neck. It a bother you. It pressure you no blood clot. And when you see Jay come out with Dyema pan it and it pressure your nerves no blood clot. How long till you want to come about me? Long time. I mean, I want to pay rent, January. I mean, I want to pay rent, Barney. I mean, I want to pay rent. I mean, I want to pay a blood clot. Barney, you know, position class, no girl. Barney, you know, and a reputation. Barney, for your reputation books, spitting at two, Barney. Barney, your face only stand security for your blood clot, dirty body. Move your cat dead in a mouth, blood clot, and go. Barney, you can't come out, no girl. Barney, you know, no levels and no size to me. I want to hear she in mama, she in granny. How we are come about? How when I mind out the man them not stay with you? How when I claim say they please them 100 times they not blood clot look? You know say you stay. Young guy like you're lonely in a blood clot. You're lonely. Thank God bless you with blood clot ice. To keep your blood clot company. Because you're lonely. You're sad and lonely. You're the only girl in America with sad and lonely. You're the only girl in the foreign have nice face and sad and lonely. No man no one try to disrespect you. I always ignore you. But always ignore you. January 1st I come and me I want to use. Value you can't take no set for me because I'm a cokehead. You can't take no set for me because I'm a cokehead. And me I want to use to pay January rent. Girl, me never disrespect you yet. I always see you talk and slide past. Notice me come for everybody to them and even look at you. Me they even look by you. I when the chat I say Valley to me they even call him because you're not important. You're no important. Me they even look by you, girl. Me they even look by you, girl. Me call everybody else's name except for you. Me don't look for you, girl. No time at all, girl. Me bench you. Girl, me fling her behind me. But they ever did want to call her name, girl. When me call her name, me have sore tongue. But they ever want to call her name, girl. Me don't give you no knowings, girl. And you want knowings off of me, girl. Don't go with us as my blood clot be. Van, me look better. Van, make it 2 hours strict blood clot now. Make it 2 hours strict blood clot now, Van. Me born in shape, you know, Van. Van, me born with blood clot shape, you know. And a doctor enhance me. Move your body man self looking blood clot. Cause your face only stand security for your dirty body. Vanya, I no ticket for me. You no docket for me, I no file for me. Vanya, at least young boy, they never run left me yet. No boy never left me yet, you know. No boy never blood clot left me. Go ask Willie if ever drop through my blood clot hole. No young boy never run left me yet. And me cut left them. And when there's a blood clot, woman and a Yankee refuse, you're done for. You're done for. Vani, remember you have to go online, go look man. Vani, a dating site app, you have to go pan, go look man. Vani, that's how body be. And yes, not an ugly girl. That's how body blood clot be have to go up and date inside to get a man. That's how body blood clot be, Vani. And yes, not an ugly girl. That's how body be have to go up and date inside to get a man to fuck you. Vani, you no keep a man for 1 week, you know. If you do keep a man for 1 blood clot week, God come. The only reason why blood clot King went there for almost 1 month. The only reason why King went there for 1 month. I just choke King could do better. Can you see King kind of like in touch? In touch with that look up his Jay, me a boss gun you know. You can't stay so. Circle me busy.
Okay.
That Vani. A years me know Vani. And me and Vani mount never meet. Never meet. Some of them know Vani can run out for me like a track star for. Vani no run out for me. Run out for the first day Jay give me 1 bucket of flowers you want cost me. Me never tried this again. Years me know your girl. Years I me never have nothing. Me try to stay away from you. Me never try to make me amount meet yet. Never. But since they come to talk about show shades like me afraid of girl. I'm not afraid of no girl. You're wicked and the people over here are wicked girl. Can you sit up and scream right that's what they see your mama fi dead in a plane. And nobody no say nothing about it. You no sweep and the wrong, you no carry in a courthouse. Your cousin is you never them say they retarded. Eh? Vani, who you no cuss? And everybody see it and play a dumb and deaf ears to it. Everybody see your company cause your mama fi crash in a plane and dead. And you dumb to it, then dumb to it. But what day they can talk about me gonna be a Rosalie, Rosalie Kima. And you company in front of the whole, how much thousand, I will have 15,000 people you screaming and say mama fi crash and dead. And everybody sweep you under the blood clot rug. Like it wasn't a highlight. Everybody sweep you under the rug and go like they never see it. But you no hate we. Everybody see it and sweep you under the rug. Imagine you go say one play because the mama and kill your mama. You know see your auntie than Tamin. Vani, me never really want to argue with the Vani because Vani had up issue, you know. Vani, me not really want to argue. You go look for your father for LM Street. In your dreams, Freddy. Come for me. Vani, the only girl in the foreign me have face and lonely. Thank God for eyes. Thank God, Father God bless you with eyes. Because Vani, you're lonely in your house with the Christmas tree. Thank God for eyes to keep your company. Eh? Yes, that an ugly girl, you're lonely. You're not an ugly girl alone. You're so talented. And you can't do nothing with your life. You need to go scour off your heart and wash your Vani. Vani, stop trying to fight with people who never want to fight with you. Vani, you try to fight with me, I'm ignore you. Stop fighting with people who don't want to fight with you, Vani. Vani, go learn how to love. La la la. La la la. La la la. Nobody no steal your heart. Never, ever, ever. You never know how to get love. How to get any love. Vani, you're coming like an orphan. Now come about me. Don't come about me. I mean, I'm back and forth with you. I don't know. I bust up shatter, I mean, I come back for you. So any W they come back with, put your pussy tongue on the platter. I not argue with me and I go back and forth. Me and I do this. Me and I do this. No dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Vani, no dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Vani, no dirty fights, girl, me not do this with. Vani, your fights black like my shoes tongue. Vani, your fights black like my shoes tongue. Me not gonna do this with you. Me not gonna make you pay your rent off for me. Me not do this with you, yeah? Me not gonna do this with you. Cause your fights black like my shoes tongue. You hear Vani, your fights black like my shoes tongue. And my shoes tongue have my name cause I'm on the exchange. Me not gonna do this with your black files. Me not gonna do this with your black files. And big up yourself, my general and pine. Vani, me not gonna do this with you. Me not gonna do this with you cause your files dark and black. No writing the day for your files. Me not gonna do this with you. Me not gonna come back about you. Vani, you know no labor. You know no class of girls to come talk about me. Make class of people have levels and morals talk about me. Vani, you know no category for cuss nobody. Me don't know why Melissa name pass through and wipe up your hole and bring it with her in a knapsack. Vani, stop come back girl and come back me shit. Vani, as Marga don't as me blood clot, me look better than you. As Marga don't as me look better than you, Vani. Vani, as Marga don't as me blood clot, me look better than you. Go and Sheen Embassy that no come back me. Vani, as Marga don't as me blood clot, me look better than you. I swear to God, as Marga as me blood clot, me look better than you. Vani, you calf them tough round this so. I done with that. I done with all of you. Cause me see it say none of them like me. I pay realness me show and after you me show realness. But Ivany as maga don't as maybe me look better yo. Ivany as maga don't as me blood clot be me look better and blood clot yo. Maga don't as maybe me look better yo. Ivany at this mad yo. Ivany at this mad yo. You don't know. The name that mad yo. Ivany you don't know. Ray! At that time, Madio. Vanya, it a clap your head side. Vanya got the clap your head side like when the ear beat you. Vanya, that time, Madio. At that time, Madio, me not get no fuck on that the rightness. And the boy proudly walk with my name. Vanya, that a kill you. Cause the boy proudly walk with my name. Vanya, that a kill you. Vanya, that a Madio. The boy proudly walk with my name.
Dyema, this year kiss up. Jealous over what exactly? Jealous over what exactly? And you know when this, since him turned Batman. This is when him turned Batman. And I eat ass. Dyema, me I beg you, please. A boy, I don't know trouble me, I beg you, please. I make me job for me receipt. Father God, some people are get involved when they get involved, you know. Cause nobody can kill me like how they kill Naya. Nobody can come on me yard, you can't send no man come kill me in here. Then tell me if anything what Dyema said on our page makes sense. Me I try find Dyema Instagram for go picture for see which part of Dyema look better than me in a what way. When I go for the picture then when she show. I'm gonna find someone to dress up. Dyema, me can go out and not have to wear stocking. Dyema, you not have no shape of front.
Yeah, people, this is not going to end well, but me just want to say, Ice is going to shame all of you in the near future. Because the boy is a bright boy, you know. It's my say. Nevertheless, people don't know the thing said, do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification because you know we're going to run beer updates on this and new series. Which my say, bless.